Okay, let's read through it. And by reading through it, I want to point out there's something you should be doing when you're confused by a problem, reading through the answer key. So it says, let R be the cost per foot of redwood, and let P be the cost per foot per pine. And what did they say? A carpenter purchased 60 feet of redwood, that's 60 R, and 80 feet of pine, 80 P, and he spent 286. The second purchase at the same prices, by the way, included 100 foot of redwood, that's 100 R, and 60 feet of pine, which would be 60 P, and he spent $396. What I would recommend here is use elimination. Let me go through that with you. And I'm looking at, I don't know, maybe 60 and 100, and I want to eliminate that, the R. How would I do that? The LCM between 60 and 100 would be 300, so this would be 5. Let me get my black pen out though. 5, and I'd say minus 3 over here. Okay, what do you get there? Let's write this down. You would get 300 R plus 400 P equals, well, 5 times 286, well, that's 1,000. And then, let's see, 400 and 30. So 1430. Let's do minus 3 times the second equation. That's minus 300R minus 180 P. And 3 times 396 is going to be, let's see, let's do it's 900, 270, and 18. That gives me 881188. Well, things look like they're lining up pretty nicely over here. So what do you get over there? You're going to get 220 P equals, well, let's do this, 1430 minus 1188. Let's borrow. This is 2. This is 10. 2. This will be a 3. That's a 12. That's going to be a 4. That's a 2. So 242. All right. Let's keep going. I got to find out what P is. And what's P going to be equal to? Well, it's 242 over 220. Again, you're allowed to use calculators, but I don't want to resort to a calculator yet. So 121, and this would be 110. And let's see what I get there. I'm going to divide by 11. 11 and 10. And what do you get there? 1.1. So the price of the price of the pine is $1.10. That's the price of the pine, per foot, by the way. And so how do you do the other one? I kind of recommend just going back to a simpler equation, maybe this one over here, to figure out what the R is. Let's go through that. So what do you get? You get 60R plus, well, 80 times $1.10 would be $88. And that equals 286. This is going to be 60R. And that's going to be 198. All right. What's R going to be equal to? 198 over 60. Let me do some divisions over here. I'm going to divide through by 2. That would be 30. And divide by 198 by 2 would be what? Let's see, 95.99, right? Well, I'm going to divide by 3. That's 33, and that would be 10. So this would be 3.3. So the price of the redwood is $3.30 per foot. Let's go back up here. Make sure this stuff is being listed for you. So $1.10 per foot for the pine, and the redwood was $3.30 per foot. Thank you.